This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious soup using a kettle. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, like a cutting board and knife. Next, prepare your vegetables by washing and chopping them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This ensures they cook evenly. Finally, make sure your kettle is clean and suitable for cooking on your stovetop. We're ready to begin. Now, let's build some amazing flavor. Start by adding a small amount of oil to your kettle over medium heat. Sauté aromatics such as chopped onions and garlic until they become fragrant and translucent. Then, add any harder vegetables, like carrots or celery, and cook them for a few minutes until they begin to soften. Don't forget to stir in your favorite spices and herbs now for a rich base. With your flavor base established, it's time to add the liquid. Carefully pour in your chosen broth or water, ensuring all the vegetables and other ingredients are fully submerged. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, not a rapid boil, and then reduce the heat to maintain that gentle bubble. Let it cook until all the vegetables are tender and the flavors have had ample time to meld together beautifully. Your soup is almost ready. Now is the perfect time to taste and adjust the seasonings. Add more salt, pepper, or any other spices until it's just right for your palate. If you're using delicate ingredients like fresh parsley or cilantro, stir them in during these final moments. Ladle your wonderful homemade soup into bowls while it's hot and savor the comforting flavors you've created. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.